Hi, this is Philip and you are watching AI Tech Rack. The universe is full of wonders, vast galaxies, exploding stars, black holes warping the fabric of space and time. But here on Earth, a different kind of marvel is unfolding, the rise of artificial intelligence. We are witnessing the birth of machines that can learn, reason, and create. Machines that challenge our understanding of intelligence itself. For decades, science fiction has teased us with the promise and peril of AI. Today that future is no longer a distant dream. It's the reality we are living in. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already shaping our world in profound ways. And now, a new player has entered the arena, Google's Gemini. This next-generation AI model promises to be even more powerful, versatile, and transformative than anything we've seen before. Gemini is more than just another algorithm. It's a glimpse into the future of intelligence, both artificial and our own. It's a powerful tool with the potential to reshape industries, redefine creativity, and push the boundaries of human ingenuity. But like any powerful tool, it also comes with risks and challenges that we must navigate with care. In the ever-evolving cosmos of artificial intelligence, a new star has emerged, Gemini. Developed by Google, Gemini is not just another AI model, it's a significant leap forward, poised to redefine what AI can achieve. Imagine a machine that can understand and generate human language with astonishing fluency. A machine that can write poetry, compose music, design websites, and even code software. That's the promise of Gemini. This cutting-edge AI system is designed to be multimodal, meaning it can process and understand information from multiple sources, including text, images, audio, and video. This ability to learn from different types of data allows Gemini to develop a more comprehensive understanding of the world, much like humans do. Gemini is still in its early stages of development, but its potential is undeniable. It has the power to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, making it more intuitive, personalized, and accessible than ever before. At the heart of Gemini lies a sophisticated neural network, a type of artificial intelligence inspired by the structure of the human brain. This network is trained on a massive dataset of text and code, allowing it to learn patterns, relationships, and nuances in language that were previously beyond the reach of machines. But Gemini is more than just a language model. Its multimodal capabilities allow it to process and integrate information from various sources, including images, audio, and video. This means Gemini can see a picture, hear a piece of music, and understand its meaning in relation to the text it's processing. This ability to learn from different modalities gives Gemini a distinct advantage. It can generate more creative and contextually relevant responses, making it ideal for tasks that require a deeper understanding of the world, such as image captioning, video summarization, and even scientific discovery. The development of Gemini is a testament to the rapid progress being made in the field of artificial intelligence. As researchers continue to refine its capabilities, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications to emerge in the years to come. The arrival of Gemini has sparked inevitable comparisons to OpenAI's GPT-4, another leading contender in the AI arena. Both models are renowned for their natural language processing prowess, but they differ in key aspects. While GPT-4 excels in text-based tasks, Gemini's multimodal capabilities give it a broader range of expertise. Gemini can seamlessly transition from writing a poem to analyzing a scientific paper to composing a musical score, showcasing its versatility and adaptability. Furthermore, Gemini's integration with Google's vast ecosystem of services, including Search, Assistant, and Android, gives it access to an unparalleled wealth of data. This allows Gemini to tap into real-time information and provide more comprehensive and contextually relevant responses. The competition between these AI titans is not just a technological race, it's a testament to the incredible pace of innovation in the field. As both models continue to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and groundbreaking applications to emerge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Section 5. The Gemini Edge. Where Google's AI excels. Gemini's multimodal capabilities give it a distinct edge. It excels in image recognition, object detection, and image captioning. It can transcribe speech, translate languages, and compose music. Integrated with Google's ecosystem, it accesses vast data, ideal for answering questions, providing recommendations, and predicting trends. Gemini's strengths position it to revolutionize technology interaction. Section 6. Real-world applications. Gemini in action. Gemini's potential spans various industries and aspects of our lives. In healthcare, Gemini could analyze medical images, assist doctors in diagnosing diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. In education, Gemini could serve as a personalized tutor, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. In art and entertainment, Gemini could collaborate with musicians, writers, and filmmakers to create new forms of creative expression. These are just a few glimpses into the transformative potential of Gemini. Section 7. Potential limitations. Navigating the unknowns. While the potential of Gemini is vast, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential limitations and challenges that come with such powerful technology. One concern is the potential for bias, as AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the training data reflects existing societal biases, Gemini could inadvertently perpetuate or even amplify those biases in its outputs. Another concern is the potential for misuse. In the wrong hands, Gemini could be used to generate harmful content, spread misinformation, or even manipulate people's emotions. It's essential to establish ethical guidelines and safeguards to prevent such misuse and ensure that AI is used for good. Furthermore, the development of increasingly sophisticated AI raises questions about job displacement. As AI systems become capable of performing tasks previously done by humans, it's important to consider the societal impact and explore ways to retrain and re-skill the workforce for the jobs of the future. Addressing these challenges will require a collaborative effort from researchers, policymakers, and the public. By fostering open dialogue, promoting transparency, and prioritizing ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI while mitigating its risks. Section 8. The future through the lens of Gemini. Looking ahead, Gemini holds the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. Imagine a future where AI assistants are not just helpful tools, but trusted collaborators, capable of understanding our needs, anticipating our requests, and augmenting our capabilities. Imagine a future where language barriers are a thing of the past, thanks to real-time translation powered by AI. A future where personalized education empowers everyone to reach their full potential, regardless of their background or circumstances. A future where AI-powered medical diagnoses lead to earlier detection and more effective treatments, improving health outcomes for millions. These are just a few glimpses into the future that Gemini makes possible. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly bring about challenges and disruptions, but it also offers unprecedented opportunities to solve some of humanity's most pressing problems and create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all. The journey into the age of AI is not without its uncertainties, but it's a journey we must embrace with a sense of wonder, responsibility, and a commitment to shaping a future where technology serves humanity's best interests. Gemini's impact on industries, a transformative force. Gemini promises to revolutionize entire industries. In manufacturing, it optimizes production, predicts failures, and designs new products, boosting efficiency and innovation. In finance, it analyzes trends, assesses risk, and personalizes advice. Investors make informed decisions. In transportation, it enhances traffic flow and logistics, accelerating autonomous vehicle development. Gemini reshapes industries, unlocking efficiencies and driving growth. Section 10. Ethical considerations. Navigating the AI frontier. Addressing ethical considerations in AI is crucial. AI development must be guided by fairness, transparency, and accountability. Data privacy is another key concern. Clear guidelines on data usage are essential. Addressing AI's impact on the workforce is vital. Ongoing dialogue and collaboration are needed. Prioritizing human values ensures AI benefits all. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing the Gemini era. The arrival of Gemini marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Its multimodal capabilities, vast knowledge base, and potential for real-world applications signal a future where AI is not just a tool but a transformative force in our lives. As we stand on the cusp of this new era, it's essential to approach AI with a sense of wonder, responsibility, and a commitment to shaping a future where technology empowers humanity. By embracing ethical considerations, fostering collaboration, and prioritizing human values, we can unlock the full potential of AI to address global challenges, improve quality of life, and advance human potential. The journey into the age of AI is just beginning, and the possibilities are as limitless as the cosmos itself. If you like our video, please subscribe and share our channel. Goodbye.